I'm Vardha Sharma, editor Newsband, daily English newspaper of Navi Mumbai. Before introducing our guest for today, let me start the conversation with a small quote of Mahatma Gandhi. He said, and I quote, "What we are doing to the forests of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and one another." In the same line, another environmentalist who is also a well-known American actor, Leonardo DiCaprio, said, "As we progress into the 21st century, anyone who considers themselves a realist will have to make the environment a top priority." Indeed, more than ever before, it has dawned upon us the importance of preserving and conserving nature and environment. Today, we have with us a young and dynamic environmentalist, Mr. Dharmesh Barai, who is the founder and head coordinator of Environment Live, which has been working on various important aspects of environment since 2008 in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and suburban areas. Welcome, Dharmesh.
Thank you so much, man, having with me on your show.
Yes, and Dharmesh, to begin with, first of all, I'm curious to know that there were so many areas of work. Why did you choose to work on environmental issues?
Ma'am, we have, like, you are right. We have so many areas where we can focus and improve. But environment is the biggest issue which globally you can say, global now struggling with the environment issues. Like day by day city increasing their capacity, beyond the capacity, people are coming in the city. And now the thing is, our lands and the areas are restricted, and in that area we have to fix ourselves. And due to the huge like burden of the city, we can accordingly we can maintain the environment also. The environment is the it is reality of the future. We if we keep and save environment, then only we survive in the city. So environment is the biggest challenge for everyone. Everyone have to think about the environment, otherwise we cannot survive. So this is like very important for me. My parents taught me, like my mother is farmer, and my father right now he is not no more in this world. So like I learned from him. He was groundsman in Matunga, cricket groundsman. I learned like many things from my dad and my parents. So once this like uh, it is very sad thing for me that no one taking care of the environment. Like if you count on a finger out of 100, you will get only two people who think about the environment. So we everyone I think have to think about the environment. That's why I chosen this field. So it is my like kind of now it is vision to create good environment for all.
So when was this group started, launched, and with how many volunteers?
Ma'am, this group I started like in 2006 7. I was in school. So whenever I go to school, like walking, I don't have that time like bus facility and van facility. I have to walk around 1.5 kilometer to reach my school. During that, I found so many, like while walking, I try to look around my footpath and this roadside. So many time looks like trees fallen on the roadside, and it's somewhere I found empty places are there but no trees. Like tree pot is there but no trees. So sometime it's just clicking touching my mind कि यार यहाँ पे कुछ तो अगर plant लगा दे तो it looks nice also and create good environment also. And so one time it happened, like I just left to the school, and in Dadar TT circle I found one big shop is there. One shop, like it is huge tree was there. They cut that tree. I don't know who cut the tree, but it looked like their board are like hiding behind the tree. So they wanted to show their board. That's why they chopped the trees. So it was like heartbreaking things for me. I was very disappointed after seeing that pictures. But that time I was on a school day, so I don't have knowledge and I don't know how to tackle with this problem. But I was disappointed with this thing. So in a college, I since I working like since school only, I tried to plantation and like small things I try to contribute for the environment. But in a school, two of my colleague, like one my friend Amit Shirorkar, and second is Vishal Kamatkar. We three called in a college like three idiots. That time three is also just booming period. So that time we planned, and I'm a part of NSS team also. I was in earlier I was in SIWS college. Then I after 12th I went to MD college. So they having their NSS badge, and if I wanted to work in environment, I have to join that group. This is my like plan. So I joined NSS, and while NSS I'm doing so many things with my school team, NSS team. And during that only we started, we thought कि यार कुछ तो करते, जो रोड साइड ट्रीज गिर जाते हैं उनके लिए कुछ करते, अगर जहाँ पे नगर पालिका या लोकली लोग नहीं अप्रोच कर पाते वहां पे हम ट्राई करेंगे एज एन सिटीजन. तो आई अप्रोच माय फ्रेंड and we planned ki chalo karte hain. Then I approached ward officer, tree officer. Every 24 wards in Mumbai, they every ward having this tree officers. Might so many people don't know also, but every ward having one tree officer. We can approach them if you required any trees in your surrounding to plant, then you can approach the tree officer. So I approached my tree officer in that area, or Mr. Raut was there. So I approached Mr. Raut, sir, ऐसा plantation करना है हमको, we required plants. So he was happy, but he was little shocked also कि यार बच्चे क्या करेंगे. I said नहीं sir, हम plan करेंगे और हम करेंगे plantation. Then he provided us plants, 50 plants, and from Parel to Bhaikala, we mark out the place every night. After school, we walk through the roads and counting कौन से shop के सामने shop plant नहीं है वहाँ पे लगाना है. So like that we mark out 50 plant space. Then we planted this tree plantation drive on 2008. We did this plantation. From 2008 we started this group to approach many people, students. So now day by day this group increasing the number of volunteers. Now so many programs we in a short period of time we try to approach many organizers also कि हम ऐसे करते हैं, हमको ऐसे करना. Like we did so many environment related issues, like we say no to plastic, say no to cheap advertising, people putting banners on a tree, just putting to nails. So we try to approach people, don't put these posters freely on the trees because tree ultimately hurt. We try to approach these vendors also, the vegetables vendor, ki don't give plastics. Yeah. So plastic is the big issue right now, even earlier also, but now everywhere plastic is the biggest issue, which like 5,000 years also chalte rahega. So people have to think about it. And then since 2008 we started this environment life group. Now group is bigger, around 500 people connected with us overall, with so many programs.
Okay, and I believe that you started with the waterfall cleanup drive somewhere on October 2nd, 2016. Why was this undertaken, and how much trash were you able to remove in whatever period that you did the initiative?
Yes, ma'am, actually waterfall cleanup drive is the unique subject in mountain areas, which no one can think about it. In 2014, when Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and it was like people are know what is Swachh Bharat. Then before 2010 and 11, I was visiting in this waterfall zones. So I found people are coming, while coming they're taking everything to eat and drink and enjoy, just fun in the monsoon. And after going, they leave all trash behind them only. They don't think that today I'm enjoying, tomorrow someone else can come in this area and visit. If they found this trash around the surrounding, it is very bad thing for the zone. And accordingly, this animals, birds are roaming around in the mountains. So many different species in that area living. So we are creating dangerous for the biodiversity behind around the waterfalls. So I and so many like people are after drinking they throw this glass bottles and that broken, and after that that bottles comes in the landfills of the farmers. So farmers also struggling around the waterfalls. Farmers also struggling with the glass bottles and various types of pollutions. So I was like, क्या करे? I don't have idea what to do. And mountains में कौन आएगा कचरा उठाने मेरे साथ? Then since 2010, I was just
Very
thinking.
difficult task.
Yeah, exactly. Then 2014 when Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched, that time I was thinking, yeah, mere level pe I can try my level best to come up with this kind of solution. So with my all environment friends like Amit, Binay Bhadekar, and Vishal, and one of my office colleague also there. So I discussed with them. I said कि ऐसा ऐसा plan है. I am planning to organize waterfall cleanup drive in monsoon, not in after monsoon. I was planning in monsoon. Why? Because people are coming. They can saw by their open eye. We are cleaning the waterfalls in front of them. They are just throwing. We are cleaning. So we started in 2nd October 2016 waterfall cleanup drive, and as of now we completed 18 waterfalls around the Mumbai suburbs and Raigad district, and more than 10.5 tons of trash to be removed from the waterfall surroundings. So this was it is not achievement, because the people once people learn not to pollute, then only we can say achievement. It is not achievement. We are still struggling with that issue, but
And
we are trying. Yeah,
what
we
is
are
being
trying.
done with the trash?
We generally, man, we approach to local authorities like Gram Panchayat. So many waterfalls comes under Gram Panchayat areas. So earlier we before the drive we visit to that area and we check out who is Pradhan, who is looking after that area, who is authorities. So we checked and we approached them कि we are going to organize waterfall cleanup drive in these areas. We only request to just we will carry all the trash and dump at one place. You just remove and properly dispose. Then we approach, as of now we are approaching local authorities only, and happily they are supporting us.
And recently, I think you have started cleaning mangroves.
Yeah.
And so why did you think of undertaking this initiative?
Ma'am, actually, we are struggling since 1 year, almost a year, with this pandemic COVID-19 situation. Everyone at home, and everyone like trying their family and themselves to healthy and safe. So during that, I visited in my one of my local area in Nerul, which is Karave Nursery. There is one small nursery. Might so many people don't know in my area also, in Nerul also, Navi Mumbai also. Hardly people knows about, because Karave fishermen's entering in the ocean from that route. It is a particular area where fishermen's go into the oceans to fishing, and there is one small nursery, mangroves nursery near behind TS Chanakya. So I just one of my colony lady told me about that place कि ऐसा ऐसा place है, अगर आप जाओगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. That time she was in not in intention कि मैं clean करने जाऊंगा. Even I am also not in intention कि मैं वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ देखूंगा. So I just visited to just see the beauty of mangroves and ocean, and I found one place where is like so much trash, floating trash coming from the ocean, and all dig up like so much trash around the mangrove zone. So it was disappointing for me, like how much trash and where these trash coming from. I was disappointed 2 3 days. Then immediately next week was 15th August. So one of my friend who is residing nearby my colony, and one of my neighbor Rohan Bhosle, and second is Sriram Shankar. So I approached them. I said कि ऐसा ऐसा है हमारे यहाँ पे प्लेस है, आपको पता है क्या? They said कि हमको तो पता नहीं है. I said ठीक है, मैं तुमको दिखाता हूँ, चलो मेरे साथ. So I took them, both of them, to that area, and I told कि ये area है. Then said कि क्या करना है यहाँ पे? I said कुछ करना नहीं, इसे हमें साफ करना है. So they both are like shocked. कैसे करेंगे? इतना कचरा है. Who will come and work in this area? I said we will first start. Then let's see. then we on 15th August we chosen the date. 15th August it was everyone knows the date value of the date. So we started good thing on 15 August, and initially 3 week we three of them struggling with the thrash. Earlier we don't have any equipments, we don't have gloves also, so we just try to remove. Firstly, we chosen this thermocols. Second week we started food waste. Third week we started medical waste and like cosmetic waste. So around one truck trash we remove in 3 weeks. Then everything every week I was put this to Twitter, Facebook, and everywhere, and appealing continuously. People can join, please. This is beautiful place which we can enjoy the beauty also. You can join us, our team, Environment Life team working in the mangroves. So slowly people are started approaching us, and after third week. Navi Mumbai Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Baba Saheb Razade, sent me a message via Twitter. So it was shocking thing for me from Commissioner's Twitter handle. I am getting message. So earlier I was like in impression somebody from his team might messaged me. But after 2 days, sir called me. Told me that just drop your email number, email ID, and contact number. Then my team also work with you. So I dropped my details. Then sir immediately called me, Dharmesh, I wanted to meet you. You people are doing wonderful job. So when is the right time to meet? I said, sir, whenever you just tell me. At that time I was in Panvel. So I said, sir, within half an hour I can reach in your office. So he said, come. Then I went. At that time also I don't know that he is only the deputy commissioner of Navi Mumbai. So when I enter in the building, I asked SSS sir ने हमें बुलाया है मिलने के लिए. Then sir said sir was in that different meeting. So when he came and took us in the cabin of the uh, assistant commissioner, then we saw that cabin. After that, I was shocked. Okay, I am not doing something great, but the approach of the authorities it is great. So on that level, they are approaching me saying that Dharmesh, you people are doing as a citizen, you people are doing wonderful job. You come to me and meet. My team all wanted to join your team. It is like big thing for me and big thing for now thing for my entire mangrove soldiers. And day by day now people joining our team, and as of now we completed 17 week, and around more than 7 tons we removed from that mangroves areas. Now every roots was chalked up earlier. We trying to remove trash from the chalked up roots because mangroves breathing from the roots. If we packed with the trash of plastics and n number of various types of trash, then might it affect the mangroves life cycle and marine
Yes.
biodiversity also. So that's why this program like on board, and now so many people, around 90 people are working in the mangroves every Sunday between 8 to 10, like 2 hours. I'm appealing everyone, Navi Mumbaikars and whoever on my social pages or whoever connected me, I'm everyone just appealing to everyone that please join us for 2 hours in every week. That is enough for environment.
So how do you
And
conduct
not,
such drives?
sorry ma'am.
How do you conduct the drive?
We like I appeal on social every Friday, Saturday, put post in social, and now I have formed WhatsApp group also. Like whoever come, like a new volunteer, I join them in my group, and I put message that we are taking this place on this weekend. So every week we deciding place, and accordingly in that place we visit and remove trash. And NMMC people also working continuously with us in that. Mr. Rajendra Sonavne, who is Swachh Bharat, head of Swachh Bharat. And second is last week we visited to meet Abhijit Bangar sir also. He also appreciate our team, and we, as a token of appreciation, we this Mangrove Soldiers badge gifted to sir. And sir also expressed that he was also wanted to join drive. That is the big thing for us, like top officer joining our this mangrove cleanup drive. This is big thing for city, and I think everyone should come forward and help and extend their hands to for this this kind of issues.
So what challenges do you usually face, Dharmesh?
Ma'am, like if you do something good for the city, if you do something different in the city, we have to like to explain people why we are doing and what we are doing. It is different difficult task. Earlier people, अरे यार क्या कचरा साफ करने जा रहे हो, कचरा निकालने जा रहे हो, गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी है ना, तुम क्यों जा रहे हो? Like people approaching like this, but we trying to approach them like in right way. These trash thrown by us, not by government authorities, not by any authorities. So we have to take responsibility of that trash. We if we are responsible for that, we have to extend our hands to remove that. Not government putting trash in the oceans. They properly taking all trash from the city and disposing in their dumping yards and recycling areas. Not government's mistake, it's our mistake. We are throwing, and we have to take responsibility and help the authorities to work better for the city. So these kind of challenges we face. Sometimes it's exams also they're going on like online, like all volunteers, like so many volunteers who are in college going like college going children, and some are school children. So sometime due to the exams, people are like all volunteers not at present, but we trying whoever present, they can work with us. This is kind of small challenges we're facing. Otherwise people are happily working with us. People are happy, very happy to work with us. Once they join, then immediately next week also they used to.
Can you please tell us again, how can people join in your initiative?
We have environment life page, even my page also, social pages. I'm putting everything, updating everything, like when our next drive and what we collected from this week. So trying to use all platforms to create awareness. Also, my whoever having social handles in my groups, they also putting their page. They also putting on profile. So if people gone through their profile, they are approaching us to like to join our group. So it is open for all. Anyone can come and contribute for nature. It is not a you have to pay entry for nothing and all.
No age bar, no nothing.
No, nothing. Anyone can come. We have 7 to 65 years volunteers in our group.
Okay. And Dharmesh, you've also started something like a bicycle ride where you look for places which are not clean and then accordingly take action.
Correct. Ma'am, like during this lockdown, people are at home and all children's also at home. So in my, initially I started with 2-3 friends. Now our team are like 10-12 cycle members are there in my group. So every alternative day we roam around in the city 2 hours, like 6 to 8, between 8. We just select the areas. Chalo, aaj Juhi Nagar jana humko. So around the Juhi Nagar, whatever I found, I try to click pictures and post it on my socials. And I'm tagging right authorities like Navi Mumbai Commissioner, Navi Mumbai Online, or whoever connected in Navi Mumbai, Pulse of Navi Mumbai Citizens Voice. So they are creating awareness. So I'm trying to put them also in the loop. So once authorities get to know that these area having some improvement, something is going to wrong in that area, so accordingly they take action. Many times commissioners have himself up replying on that email that already I told my team to work on that issue. And after that also many times he said ki Dharmesh, go and visit that place, it is clean and clear.
So it's very nice. It's heartening when you see that the results are there.
So it is health. We are maintaining our health also. Accordingly, we're trying to city's health also to
Yes.
good for the city.
So what is your upcoming project?
Right now, ma'am, we are focusing for this mangroves cleanup drive, and it is like 1 more month required to particular that areas to clear. But if we can see the oceans issue, it is like tons of trash in the oceans every week when high tide comes up. Along with that, tons of trash comes around the shore time. So this is like not one day's program. We have to continuously work in that areas. So as of now, we are focusing only mangroves only, but different areas also we are trying to select. Now many flamingos, many birds are coming in our areas. It is like Navi Mumbai known for these flamingos.
Yes.
pink city, we can say. In TS Chanakya zone, even this NRI complex, all are like full of flamingos. So we have to provide them a good environment to live. So that's why we are working in that creeks. And secondly, I wanted to convey through news band to all the Navi Mumbaikars. Since this is Navi Mumbai edition, I am trying to communicate all the people. Please do not treat creeks as an garbage bin. Oceans and creeks and rivers, lakes are like natural resources which is we blessed with. We have to respect. We have to take responsibility, take ownership. We are owner of these surroundings. We do not have rights to destroy the beauty of and natural resources. So please try to behave with the responsibility. Do not throw any trash anywhere outside the dustbin is the only solution. We are right now on third Swachh Bharat ranking. We wanted to upgrade our city to number one only possible when citizens cooperate for this subject. Otherwise authorities cannot only get these numbers. If we cooperate and we come forward to extend hands for the Swachh Bharat, then only we will get number one position. And it is very tough, not easy. Everyone should take ownership and contribute, then only we will get the number.
Thank you so much, Dharmesh, for joining us. And we wish you all the best. And the viewers, stay safe, stay healthy, and let us all join hands in preserving and conserving nature. A small step by each one of us can go a long way in protecting Mother Nature. Thank you, Dharmesh.
Lastly, I'll thank you, Vardha ma'am, and all Navi Mumbaikars who all are watching this video. I'm requesting everyone, please cooperate us and please take ownership. Please, as a citizen, you can come forward and take responsibility. Do not litter anywhere. Also, we are blessed with so many natural places. We are blessed like with three monsoons, like three type of summer, like monsoon, all kind of things. So we have to respect, and we are like Swachhmev Jayate. This is the tagline for our group. Environment Life always working on Swachhmev Jayate. We can take so many initiatives, and everyone can come forward and take some small initiatives to cities betterment for a future generation.
So let us all unite to make Navi Mumbai number one in cleanliness survey. Thank you so much, Dharmesh. Thank you.
Thank you so much.